Morning, everyone. This is rather disconcerting, speaking into your own head. Can you hear me? Yeah, okay. So it's great to see so many faces here interested in the future of manufacturing. I'm not sure you're all listening in the room, but we'll give this a go for those that are. Thank you for taking a seat here and listening this morning. I'm here to talk about something that's a game changer for small and medium-sized businesses in the sector. That's the Made Smarter programme. We were name-checked a couple of times this morning in the main session, first by Stephen and then by the Minister. So the programme really is a lifeline for businesses trying to navigate the complex world of digital technology. The gap between what digital technology can do and where most SMEs stand is vast. But it's a gap that Made Smarter is determined to fill. My name's Kevin Smith, and I'm the lead technology adoption specialist on the Made Smarter Northwest programme. My job is to bridge the gap between the high-tech possibilities and the practical, on-the-ground application in manufacturing businesses. I've worked on the programme for 5 years, since it was just a pilot, and in that time I've gained a lot of insight into the challenges faced by SME manufacturers and how best to respond. I wanted to share some thoughts with you this morning and set out a vision for the future of manufacturing support. So first of all, I'm going to talk about the challenges in digital transformation for SMEs. The first thing is financial barriers. And let's face it, money talks. So one of the biggest hurdles for SMEs is the upfront cost of going digital. It's not just about buying new software or equipment, it's about investing in a whole new way of doing business. And this can be daunting when you're counting every penny. However, Made Smarter isn't just standing by. The programme breaks down these costs, showing how digital investment isn't just an expense, but a long-term saving. So imagine automating a process that cuts down production time by half, or using predictive maintenance to avoid costly breakdowns. That's where your investment pays off. The second challenge is around operational concerns. So introducing new technology can feel like trying to change the tyres on a moving car. There's a genuine worry that bringing in new systems will disrupt the workflow, slow down production, or even halt it altogether. And here's where Made Smarter can help, offering expert guidance to ensure technology integration goes as smoothly as possible. And this support helps minimise downtime and ensures that the transition not only keeps your business running, but enhances its efficiency. The third area is around cultural resistance, and everyone knows that change is tough. It's not just about new software or gadgets, it's about people and the way they're used to doing things. And this cultural hurdle is often the toughest. Made Smarter places a huge emphasis on leadership and change management, helping leaders within manufacturing businesses become champions of change. And by fostering an environment that's open to innovation, Made Smarter helps ease the transition, ensuring that everyone from the shop floor to the executive suite is aligned and moving forward together. We also want to talk about how difficult it is for SMEs to navigate the technology landscape. And for many SMEs, the digital world is like a vast ocean without a compass, and it's easy to get lost. I suppose Made Smarter is the compass. It's offering clear, straightforward guidance to how businesses navigate the myriad of technology options, whether it's deciding between types of software, understanding the benefits of IoT or the Internet of Things, or figuring out how to use data analytics to boost efficiency. Made Smarter provides the insights you need to make informed decisions that are right for your business. Now I'm going to move on to talk about some of the core strategies of Made Smarter, so the service principles that we've developed over 5 years in response to these challenges. The first thing is peer learning. So imagine learning from a business that's just implemented a digital inventory system that's cut their waste by 30%, or another that's used 3D printing to drastically reduce their prototyping costs. That's the power of peer learning, and it's a core part of the Made Smarter programme. By bringing businesses together, sharing success, and even the lessons learned from failures, Made Smarter fosters a community of innovation. This isn't just about one company's journey, it's about elevating the entire manufacturing sector. The second very important part of our service offer is the human element. At the end of the day, technology is only as good as the people using it, and that's why Made Smarter doesn't just focus on the machines and software, it's deeply committed to the workforce as well. The programme is designed to ensure that digital transformation leads to rewarding, well-paid jobs, supports diversity in the workplace, and creates opportunities for everyone to grow and learn. By putting people first, Made Smarter ensures that technology advancements benefit not just the bottom line, but the entire community. I'm going to just talk about looking ahead in the future vision as well. So, Made Smarter is not just reacting to the current digital landscape, but actively preparing for the future. And this means anticipating how technology and jobs will evolve together. This morning, again in the main session, AI was mentioned a number of times, and I think there's a tendency again to focus very much on the technology here, but actually the real challenge is around adoption. The technology exists, it's about how manufacturing businesses bring it into their company. And we've got over 5 years of practice, we've got the tools and techniques needed to do that. We just need to learn and build on our successes when it comes to new technologies. So Made Smarter is investing in the skills development, promoting adaptability and preparing businesses not only to survive but thrive in the digital age. And the forward-looking approach is about building resilience and flexibility into the heart of the manufacturing sector. And I think another really important part is the practical implementation, because knowing what to do is one thing and all the ideas in the room are great, but it's all about actually doing it. And that's another thing. And that's where Made Smarter's practical support comes into play. So through workshops, internships, mentoring, direct support and grant funding, the programme helps translate these big ideas into actionable strategies. Whether it's a small step like adopting a piece of software or a giant leap like reimagining an entire production process, Made Smarter is there to guide manufacturers from concept to implementation. This hands-on support ensures that they can realise their ambitions. So just in wrapping up, I think nearly time. Okay, let's not forget what Made Smarter is all about. It's a commitment to support UK SMEs on their digital transformation journey. This journey is more about than just adopting new technologies. It's about creating a future where UK manufacturing is innovative, sustainable and ahead of the curve. Made Smarter is here for the long haul, ready to tackle the unique challenges of the manufacturing sector. The programme may be 5 years old, but I feel like we've only just got started. So I think if you're looking to take your manufacturing business into the future, to make it more efficient, more competitive and more sustainable, then working with Made Smarter is the way forward. Thank you. Any questions?
Thanks very much for that. I'm just wondering, is there a link between the adoption of new technology and the decarbonisation agenda?
Inexplicably. You can't decarbonise without knowing the current state of your business, and digital technology can certainly help with that, measuring more effectively what your current output is. So once you know where you currently are, then you can take measures to decarbonise after that. So there's an inexplicable link, and I think decarbonising, one would argue digitisation is a step towards decarbonisation.
Hi there. What's the best way to engage with Made Smarter? How do we contact you? What's the first steps?
Sure. If you're a manufacturing SME, it would be to register on our website. And then depending on which region you're based, one of the regional advisors will get in touch with you. Come and speak to me afterwards as well, especially if you're in the Northwest, because I can help you. If not, someone else will.
Can you maybe tell us about one of the successes that you've had recently? Just like a case study.
Sure, yeah, certainly. So we support many manufacturing businesses across the Northwest. One company that comes to mind is a small spice manufacturing business that I work with in the Liverpool City region. And they came to us not really having any clue of, they were a seasonal business, so they produced seasonal products. They didn't really have any clue on what inventory they had and what they how to manage that inventory. So we helped them implement a digital system, inventory management control system, that really helped them get a handle on what it is they had in stock, and that helped, I think, increase profitability by something like 30% over a period of time for them. So it was a really impactful example of a project. Okay? Okay, thank you very much, everyone.